Here we go. Let me make it a little bigger. All right, now we tie you up like this. Now you're a professional baker.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, let's get the flour, okay?
Okay.
And a rolling pin.
Flour rolling. Okay.
Flour and rolling, okay. Here we go. Mommy put her on too. Oh, Bubby, that's not good to lick. That's yucky.
It's okay.
It's okay.
No picture.
No pictures. Okay, let's. We're gonna get the dough out. And we're gonna roll it real big.
Okay.
Okay. It wants some more flour.
More flour.
More flour. So smush it with me. Smush. You smush. Oh, look at the cat.
Cat.
Oh, it's okay. Keep smushing. Let's flip it over.
Yes.
Keep smushing. You want the rolling pin?
Yeah. Never.
Now roll.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, you wait right there. I'm gonna get the tray.
It's a water.
Okay.
Right.
Let's get the tray.
1, 3, 1, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah. Let's see your apron. Can you turn this way? Let's see your apron. So cute.
Hey,
Sorry. I like giving you kisses.
hey, this is a good balance.
Okay. You want to do the tree?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's smush it down. Okay. Let me get the spatula. Hold on. Here, hold on. I gotta get Scoochie. I gotta get the spatula.
My
Here you go. Do you want a spatula too?
scissors.
All right. Yeah. Hop, hop.
Save this.
Same.
Whoa. Do I?
All right. We're gonna peel off the extra.
My tip peel like this.
Oh. And we put it on the tray.
Is it put in the tray?
All right. I'm gonna mush this back together. Okay. Here, let's see.
1, 2.
Hold on, I want to turn them this way so we can put another on the tray.
And this one.
Okay, now we're going to roll out one more. Let's get some more flour.
Walk, 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 wee. Hey.
Hey, help me smush. Flip it over. Help me smush. Wait, okay, okay. Hey, help me smush. Use your hand. Use a roller.
Yeah.
Good boy. Give me a kissy. Sweet boy. All right, one more tree. Smush it out. Go tea. Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Right, peel up this edge. Ooh, you sneaky. Look, we forgot a little leg. All right, now hold them up to the camera. Look, say ta-da.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Yeah. All right, let's put these in the oven. We can make little trees now. Look, Mommy's got little trees and tiny trees. Those will be fun. Ah, too much. Here, let's get some more dough out. Where's your scraper? Hey. Show us the dough. Go ta-da.
Ta-da!
Look up there. Say ta-da.
Ta-da!
Okay.
These are legs.
Oops. Right. Alright, now we can make little trees.
Little trees.
Smush.
Ma.
Smush.
Ma.
Oh, let's put him over here. Smush.
Ma.
Mush, mush, ding. And one more right here.
Ma.
Good job. Oh, I gotta put them on a tray.
What happened?
I just gotta put them on a tray.
I
And-
know it, Mom.
It's okay, Bubby. That's what we're supposed to do.
It's very good.
Yeah, tray of cookies.
It's really old. These are like
Seesaw, Marjorie drop. And look, now we have teeny tiny trees.
and not tiny.
Yeah. Okay, let's mush this up and then we'll make teeny tinies, okay? Smush it.
We made a sprinkle trap.
And then we can decorate these with sprinkles and stuff. Are you ready?
What is the sprinkle?
Smush,
Ma.
smush.
Ma.
Perfect. Smush.
Ma.
Good job. Smush.
Ma.
Alright, smush.
Ma.
And one more.
Ma.
Alright, we got just a little bit left to make a couple more. Do you want to do big tree or little tree? Let's do
Little tree.
little trees, okay.
No, big tree.
One more big tree. And then smush a little more. Okay, give it a smush. Okay. Now you go bring this bit to Daddy, and then you can have the other bit. Come right back to me though.
Cookie dough is the best, isn't it? Thank
All right,
you.
come here. We gotta show that we gotta do our thing. Stand up here. All right, face the camera and go ta-da. Ta-da. Look at there. One picture. Hey,
Ta-da!
over there. Ta-da.
Ta-da!
Great job. Okay, we'll put these in the oven.